Welcome, wherever you are, whatever you've been through. This is your moment to rest. Let the world slow down. Let the weight on your shoulders slip away, piece by piece. Let your breath soften. Let your thoughts stretch out like a river finding its way. You are safe here. There is no pressure, no expectation, no performance. Just breath, just being, just stillness. Let's walk together now, not toward a destination, but toward a rhythm. The rhythm of the earth, the rhythm of your soul. For too long, we have moved against ourselves, pushed when we needed to pause, held when we needed to release, ignored when we needed to listen. But nature knows better. She never rushes, never forces. She unfolds gracefully, honestly, unapologetically. The trees don't hurry to grow. The rivers don't chase the sea. They simply are, flowing, becoming, existing. And you too can return to that wisdom, to that gentle way of being. Let each breath be a leaf falling into still water. Let each moment be an invitation, not to do, but to feel, to remember. That peace was never lost, only buried beneath expectations, beneath noise, beneath should and must and not enough. But peace is patient. It waits quietly, in forests, in rain. In the hush of early morning light, it's here. It's always been here, waiting for you. So breathe in and let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let the mind settle. Notice how the wind touches the leaves. Notice how the light moves across the sky. Notice how it feels to notice. When you truly see, there is wonder in everything, even in silence, even in shadow, even in the space between your thoughts. Because silence isn't empty. It's full of messages we've forgotten how to hear, full of answers we stopped asking for, full of reminders that we belong. You belong. Not because of what you do, not because of what you achieve, but simply because you are. You were never meant to chase worthiness. You were meant to awaken to it. Right now. Right here. So close your eyes if that feels safe. Feel the air moving in and out of your lungs. Not forcing, just allowing. This is enough. You are enough. Imagine yourself surrounded by trees, a forest where time moves differently, where the ground holds you and the sky watches over you. Feel how the earth doesn't judge. It doesn't compare. It simply receives you, exactly as you are. Let go. Let go of the story that says you must be strong all the time. Let go of the pressure to always be moving forward. Let go of the idea that stillness means you're stuck, because stillness is sacred. Stillness is where we heal, where we grow roots, where we remember who we are, and who you are is not the voice in your head, not the scars on your heart, not the labels the world gave you. You are breath. You are being. You are a child of the earth, and you are enough. Let yourself feel that. Let it wash over you like a soft rain, soak into your skin, settle into your bones. The storms of life may rage, but you are not the storm. You are the sky it moves through. You are vast. You are open. You are here, and here is holy. You don't need to figure it all out tonight. You don't need to carry every question to bed. Some answers will come not by thinking, but by feeling, by resting, by listening to what hurts and holding it with kindness. The earth has no urgency, yet everything gets done. The flowers bloom, the rivers flow, the seeds find their way to the sun, and you are allowed to do the same. You don't need a plan for every moment. You need presence. Presence is not something you earn. It's something you return to, like the tide returning to shore, like breath returning after tears, like trust returning after time. Can you feel yourself coming back? To yourself, to simplicity, to silence. Let your heart beat slow and steady. Let your thoughts pass like clouds above a meadow. You don't need to catch them. Just watch. Let yourself dissolve into the scene around you. Imagine a quiet mountain, fog curling through the trees, a stream whispering ancient truths. This stillness, it's in you. It's always been in you. You've just been taught to run from it, to stay busy, to stay loud, to stay numb. But here, you are allowed to feel again. Maybe for the first time in a long time. So feel what's real, not what you were told to feel, not what you pretend to feel, but what is truly present in your body. Let your inner landscape rise, unfiltered, unashamed, unjudged. Maybe you feel tired. Let yourself be tired. Maybe you feel lost. Let yourself be lost. You don't need to fix it right now. Just be honest. Because in truth, there is healing. In honesty. And so I leave you now, not with answers, but with presence. Not with motivation, but with stillness. Not with urgency, but with trust. You are not lost. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. And from here, everything is possible. Welcome home.